Hello friends, testing time again. Now let's see. This is all about the different article. Plenty of milk is available these days. Yes or no? Right or wrong? Right. Because milk is a substance and that is used in a general sense. Milk bought from that shop is not pure. That is wrong. Why? Because here it is particular. Specified. Not any milk, but milk that is bought from this particular shop. So you have to say the milk. Now it is correct. Isn't it? Yes. Listen please, breakfast will be at 8 a.m. Right or wrong? Right. Why? Because with meals you don't, in general sense, we don't use the. Perfectly alright. Alright. You are invited for the dinner hosted by the president. Yes or no? Right. Why? Because this is a special dinner, the dinner. So there must be the. Okay. Particular you are specified. You have 15th. Do you know at what time? Oh, at what time? Sorry. Lunch is going to be served. Perfectly alright because the general use, not a particular use. Lunch routine. Lunch is going to be served. Alright. Cricket is a very popular game here. Right or wrong? Right. Why? You don't use the with names of games. Alright. Iliad was written by Homer. Right or wrong? Wrong. Why is it wrong? Because this is one of his kind in the world, Iliad. And therefore you have to say the. And now it is right. Taj is one of the wonders of the world. Yes or no? No. Why? Because Taj is only one of its kind. So you must use the. Now it's right. Otherwise it is wrong. What do you want for lunch? Again, a general use, not specified use anything, not specific, means general use, and therefore the sentence is alright, perfectly alright. Yes. And you have got Vikrant is an aircraft carrier. You are wrong. Why? Because you have got, this is name of a ship, and the names of ships and trains should take the definite article the. So you correct it like this, now it is wrong. So here you are, once again, why is it wrong? Right ones. Plenty of milk is general use of the substance. The milk to be brought, because this is special milk. Listen please, breakfast will be at 8 a.m. That is general use. So not the. You are invited for the dinner hosted by the president. Special use of these meals. So you should use. Do you know at what time? Time here. Lunch is going to be served. This is not the, but it is time lunch. General use, so no problem. Cricket is a very popular game here. Perfectly alright. Because it is names of games we don't use the. Iliad was written by Homer. It is wrong because Iliad is only one of its kind and therefore you have to use the. Taj is one of the wonders of the world. Yes, correct. Wrong. Why? Same applicable to the previous sentence Iliad. That is, Taj is only one of its kind and therefore you should use the. What do you want for lunch? Perfectly alright because lunch is, the name of the meal is used, how general, it's a general use. And the last one, Vikrant is an aircraft carrier is wrong. You have to use the with names of ships and names of trains and so on. See, the Rajdhani Express, you cannot say Rajdhani Express. You cannot say. Understand that? The Bernard Express, not just Bernard, that won't work. Hope that you are following and more tests will follow. Until then, bye. Have a nice time.